In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable camera access permissions on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left panel, you want to select privacy and security. And then on the right side versus privacy and security, privacy controls, go ahead and select that. And then select camera access here. If you want to disable it, just toggle it off at the top, or you can do it just for individual apps by toggling it on or off right below, as well as for websites as system services too. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.